Hi, Coco.
Hi, Coco. We're on video. Today, she's happy. Clap, clap, clap. No, no, no. Today is April. Oh, today's Coco's birthday.
11.
Yeah, today's
Fine.
11th.
11 months. She's 11
Yeah.
years old.
Coco, you're
You're
officially
old in the month.
11 months young.
Yes, sweetheart. Take a bite.
Coco's eating. What's on the menu today, Mommy?
Noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
Or chicken noodle.
Coco has discovered picking her nose today. We took a really good picture of her with her finger in her nose. She seems to thoroughly enjoy it.
She just puts her finger there and sits there like, what's going on?
Yeah, let's see if she does it again. She may do it again.
Hold on, let Mommy wipe your mouth.
Coco, Coco, Coco. Can you say Coco? Good girl. Aww. She looks chubby around the screen that she doesn't realize. Look. Aww, cutie.
You want to show Daddy your Eskimo kisses?
Good girl. All right. Well, we got the grill going. We're going to cook a couple steaks on the grill.
Say bye-bye to Daddy.
Bye-bye. I love how she does that. Bye, Coco. We love you.